Hi, Danish. Congratulations for your new job. So
I,
the purpose why I arrange this podcast, I used to always do so that from your success, my viewers they will get the idea like what level of preparation required, what are the things they suppose not to do, right, or what they are doing, what they can learn from you, so that it will help to them. Okay, you can start with like your past experience. Okay, how
yeah,
you started the career, how you came into the SAP platform. So all these things you can start. Yeah, over to you.
sure. So thank you so much, Pradeep, for everything, for all your support. And first of all, I would like to thank you because your mentorship, your guidance, and your support have been a great learning for me. And everything that I am able to achieve right now, it's because your program, your design course. So that's why I would like to thank you.
Thank you. But as I
And
said already, it's always your effort. Means any individual who perform 90% your effort,
yeah,
10% I can guide someone. But actually, whatever success you got today, so it is always the hard work, whatever you the spent time, all this that is always, and not from last 6 months, 3 months. It is from the day one, like
yeah.
when you started this particular career. Yeah,
Yeah.
go. Yeah.
So, I would like to start like, hi everyone. My name is Danish, and I am coming from a commerce background. My core experience and skills is coming from finance and accounting only. And if I would like to tell you about my prior experience, so I have done my graduation in BCom, and I passed out in 2020. And after that, I've started my financial career as a finance executive with Genpact. Okay, so
Okay.
my organization was Genpact, where I was accounts payable guy handling reconciliation, bank reconciliations, payment stuff. The plus point was I was in working in SAP, so I was getting the exposure of SAP, how invoice is getting processed, how reconciliation is going in the system, and how all the things related to finance is going at the end user level in SAP FICO module. So that's why I am like getting
FICO
more.
module, sorry, I will interrupt you. FICO module, like when you are working in, for example, accounts payable, it's only accounts payable you are handling, or the
Yeah,
procurement part, means MM
AP.
side also. MM
No,
side you
on
are
only AP I was handling.
only AP or okay, okay.
Yeah, so that is why. So majorly was the FICO module.
Hmm.
And what I was telling you. So yeah,
Yes.
mainly I was on the SAP end user level, and just because I was into finance and my core skill from the finance is coming, so I was interested in the IT field, IT part of this finance, all the integration, what is going to happen with finance, along with IT, along with the technology. So merging the finance thing with IT thing and technology, it's been the great journey for me, and that's what my
So
interest is
from the
coming.
beginning, you are very clear that you want to be consultant, you want to go into consulting role, or let's say you started with a better job, like to be honest, like how you start. Because many candidates, even including me also, when we came into the consulting, purpose was like we want a better role. Later, we gradually understood, okay, there are so many things are there in the back end. So
Yeah,
that.
exactly. Because at the time I was not having that much of exposure, like
Hmm.
what is going to be, what is consulting, what is
Hmm.
to be a consultant. So I was just driven by the technology
Hmm.
because I am interested in doing some stuff, the IT related stuff and
Okay.
technology related stuff. And the plus
Okay.
point for me, if I can continue with finance only and integrate with technology, that's why my interest is coming from there only.
Hmm.
So that is why I decided to go into the configuration implementation. These words were like giving me the boost to join this part. I was totally unaware like
And
what
how
is
you,
going
how
to
you
be.
know all these things? Because normally when we are working user side, we have very limited access. So how
Yeah.
you know that there is a backend side is there? So many things we have to configuration, we have to do config. How you know all these things? Just think like, don't imagine today. Imagine
Hmm,
when you are there in that stage, when you are
hmm,
doing some activities, you are
hmm,
working in the system, you are doing
hmm.
some, you are entering T code, some activities. That time, how you dream that, okay, something is there in the backend, which is in larger picture. How?
So just because when we were in AP, okay, so
Mm-hmm.
lots of technical problem we were facing.
Mm-hmm.
something related to APP, something related to GL issue, balance is not matching perfectly, cost center is not going populating. So we used to raise tickets and we used
Okay.
to go with the meetings and call with the IT team.
IT team.
We call
Okay.
we call it the IT team. At that time, we are not
Hmm.
we were not having the exposure. What is a IT team and what are they? So that's why when we go into the call with them, so they used to resolve that. They used to discuss like, okay, this is the issue. We need to do this. We need to troubleshoot this. So from that only, I came to know that okay, this is the another part. This is the backend part of this software where people configure and implement functionally, and what I can do. So
Okay.
I then studied and I then researched about this module where I learned, okay, there is a team called a Babber team. So there I
Mm.
cannot go. That is not my field. I can reach out to the functional part because that is a thing where I can achieve and I can be a good consultant on that role. So from there only, when we were having issues, when we were having errors in our day-to-day operations, and we were collaborating with IT teams, at that time we came to know, okay, there is a backend part also.
Got it. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Go ahead.
Yeah, so then the interest is coming into the picture. Then I researches for my own by like how can I do this module? How can I learn more? And then uh, starting researches everywhere, ChatGPT, Google, YouTube. Then I came to lots of pages with lots of YouTube channel also. And luckily and fortunately, I came into the your YouTube channel and I like from I can remember first 2 months I was seeing your throughout your videos like I was depending on your videos seeing your videos then I like decided okay no videos is not going to help me because there
But
is a
that is the very key important area, because what exactly you are going to do, like although you have some idea on that, but exactly, like, don't think that that is not going to work. So that is also have a value added is there. Like whatever, for example, let's say you learn something, out of that you figure out two things, three things you
yeah
figure out, but still seven or eight unanswered is there. But still you have a clarity. I know this much and this much I have to know. So that
yeah
is also very
exactly.
important. Yeah.
Exactly. So just because lots of thing on your videos, I was saying classic GL document splitting. What is document splitting? Then I am going. I am relating things. Okay, this is document splitting, and this is what I am seeing on my end user screen in my
Mm-hmm.
job. So
Mm-hmm.
I was going to things related on my like on my POV. So from there, then I've decided to like. Then I've, as you know, I've opted your course. Opted your designed all parameters and we have started from I think from September. Yeah. And so September, I was into September batch. So first 4 months was very hectic for me also because like uh, as you can say, taking into granted, like I think it is easy. We can like we need I need to create some of the master data and I need to create some GS cost center and linking them. Okay. So then I've started classes, then everything is like jumping over my head, like what is going, it is like have I like doing any mistake or not? So that is why then your motivation and your like path will really help me. Like I will always suggest everyone like if you are going, if you are starting a consulting role or consulting part, you have to be very clinical. You have to be very, uh, first your interest should be there
Correct.
if you're not enjoying that job if enjoy is not coming enthusiasm is not coming so you cannot like sustain and survive
That is
for a
that
long
is that is
period.
very true. That is very true. If
Ah,
you, because every day will not be a like glittering day, right? So
yeah
lot of struggles will be there, lot of
yeah
demoralizations will be there.
yeah
Maybe you will not get the interview calls, or rejections will be there. Or let's say, let's take simple examples. Let's say you are doing something and you are getting error. One error leads to another error, another error. So
yeah
that process is also enjoyable. Correct.
yeah.
That is 100% I
One
agree.
little mistake in master data will throw you error in the
Correct.
everywhere
Correct.
reporting.
Correct.
So
Correct. Right.
that error should always be your challenging part. You
Right.
need to take it as like a challenge. Okay, now I want to. I can still remember when I was going through your classes and I was copying step by step. Even though I was copying step by step, one thing and another I missed more often. Okay, and at the final reporting and the final execution, error will throw. And my brain was like stuck. Oh my God, what has happened? How will I resolve that? There is a hundred of notes, hundred of things I've done to get it to this level. Okay, so like a cost allocation I was doing, I can recall. So some of
Hmm. That
everything I was doing right, and some of the things is not
working.
executing. So then I have researches. You also motivated me. First, do your own research. See where it has gone wrong. See the videos again and again, again and again. Check it by yourself. Then it will like uh, go into your nerves, like how a consultant do as research. That's because you can tell me easily what is the error by reading the error, but you
If
always tell me I will
that is,
not.
if I will tell you, it will take 2 seconds to resolve
two
it, but it is
seconds
not going to help in long run because
long run.
when
Yeah,
you will research something, unnecessary things you are going to touch. Okay, this is
yeah,
not the solution. Then next one, next one, next one. So in between, maybe you will knock 10 options, but last one may be the solution. But that
yeah,
9 options, what you explored, that is
yeah,
also going to help you for your learning point of view. And this is what
exactly,
exactly
exactly.
we are working in system.
Yeah, and everything what I have learned throughout this journey, that you need to take, you need to like create some time in your schedule, busy schedule. If you're working professional, I can understand we have 9 to 5 job, we have 9 hours a job. So you need to take time, 1 2 hours a day is a necessary, because before going into consulting job, if you're not doing 4 to 5 end-to-end implementation. It takes me four end-to-end implementation, Pradeep,
Normal.
honestly.
It is normal. It's normal.
Yeah.
It
Like
will take.
first implementation was like I've done something, but it is not like
You don't know what you did.
yeah, I don't know what I've done. Okay, the picture is not clear.
Correct.
I'm not the clear is basics is not getting cleared. So that is why I've recommended everyone that it will take 3 to 4 implementation at least to
Correct.
understand what is the
because
logic, why we
because
are
the
doing
more
this.
we involve with the system, you will get more clarity. First time you did something without knowing it means
Yeah,
you just followed some steps, you completed. Second
yeah,
time when you will do, then you will start understanding 20%. Third time
yeah,
you will start on like let's say 50% you will learn. So
yeah,
more you involve, then you will learn more. And the more you will do R&D, let the error come.
yeah.
More R&D you will do, you will get more clarity on that.
Yeah,
That is the right
exactly. Error
process.
is a plus point.
Yes,
If you
yes.
are getting error, you are having
Go,
the chance to learn more and more,
more
more and
correct,
more, because
correct,
every project is different in a
correct,
consulting job.
correct,
Like
correct.
your different clients will having different business. Some will having FMCG industry, some is in manufacturing, some is in fabrics, clothing. So every implementation and every SAP project is different. You cannot say, okay, I've done these projects, 2 3 projects in my prior experience, so I can do seamlessly another project also. Okay, so SAP consulting job is very enthusiastic, very like it will take your time, it will take your energy, and if you are really interested in it, it will like very helpful for you.
And when you are preparing, let's say training completed all this, now you started your preparation towards job point of view. So
Yeah.
what should be your approach? Like if I will say how much time you are sparing for hands-on, how much time for the theory, like anything strategically you are doing or how you are doing.
Yeah, my strategy that I figured out after your course, like your course was completed 4 months, then I've started taking the server access from any other vendor, because server has to be there, because what you
Obviously,
are reading theoretically, you have
practice
to
point of view,
do
yes.
hands-on. So I think from past 1 month, I was not doing hands-on because everything was done for me, like job preparation and all. So,
No, no,
but
not now. Let's say l- your training completed, your first
yeah,
phase of learning process completed. Now you
yeah.
started seriously towards interview preparation. That time.
Exactly.
Hmm.
Yeah. So then the my approach will be what you have given me the project. Okay. Seeing the projects. Okay. Then doing the implementation by creating my own business,
Right.
with
Yes.
my
Yes.
own ideas, like what I can do, what I can modify with this project. So doing 2 to 3 times projects, seeing videos every day, and hands-on was also I was doing hands-on on daily basis.
Okay. Okay.
Also, your mock interviews also helped me. You have taken 2 3 mock interviews for me. So that is really helped me a lot in this journey. So the simple path should be your theory and hands-on should be parallelly going. Take the theory classes and read everything and apply in your hands-on. So because if you're not doing hands-on, if you are doing twice a month or thrice a month, it will not give you that much benefits. So you have to do every day. So my hands-on was every day of what I
Okay.
was doing. Yeah.
Okay. So, how many interview faced like before the current
Yeah, the
job?
final, the
Because you
final,
got one of the top company in, like,
yeah,
you can say, you
yeah,
got the
exactly.
offer. Before that, how many rejections you faced, or what area like you thought like this part was not working for me properly. This is how that is why I rejected. Like, how many interviews faced?
I I can think almost 15 15 interview I've given.
15.
15, yeah. It will take me. It has taken 15 interviews to getting the job finally at the end. You know.
Why so many?
Because I have added my experience, so they are also expecting more from my side, so
Hmm.
that is why I was not applying as a fresher. So
Obviously,
that is
yes.
why, yeah, they were expecting a senior all
Hmm.
the time because
Hmm.
my 3 years of experience I was adding into the resume, so they were expecting to me answer in that manner. So the areas that initially was lacking from my end is product costing, cost of production, these things, and like variances that used to be handled by senior consultant. So that part really got like it was very itchy for me
So 15
initially.
interview rejections, but still you keep like
Yeah, my
continuously you
my
start.
goal was clear that I need to crack it anyhow. I need to crack it. I will not. I think it has been almost. It is going to be a year when I've
Mhm.
opted your course. So
September
I've
to September, yes.
yeah, September to September. So my mind was clear. I will crack it one day or not. So because every interview and I can feel the growth also. Now it is not like I was not feeling growth and I was not doing good. I was doing good day by day, day by day, day by day, and I can also the confidence is coming because initially I was cracking first round, then two round is easily the thing is any interview my round technical round and managerial round was getting cleared. Only thing I was stucking into the client round.
Client round, yes.
Yeah, so for one round, that is why the motivation is coming. I can crack the one round also if I will practice more and more and more and more. And at the end, the questions I was understanding what it is going to be, what all the questions they will ask, if their priority is controlling area or FI and CO both. As per the JD, I can understand now because after 15 interviews, I can assume like what they are going to
What
ask to me.
questions? Yeah, you can
Yeah,
expect
question
the.
pattern I have like understood very easily at the end. So it is a great journey, almost a year,
And I think you got your result 100% hike, right? Or more than 100% hike?
more than 100%.
More than
It
100%
is more
hike.
than
So,
100%.
so you got
Uh,
your
s-
result 15,
yeah,
15
I
interview.
got the result because I was not preparing for fresher level in SAP. That is why it has paid. Uh,
So anything you face like or any like you can say that if I would have in the beginning itself, if I would have adopted this all these things, maybe it should not take this much time, or my rejections was not there. Anything.
Yeah, so during classes you need to have punctual. If classes is going on the live classes, if someone is learning from any platform, anywhere, if they are having classes, so they will complete that classes what they are learning every weekend or every week. So they should have do the hands-on for that classes every day, every week
Regularly.
because
Okay.
backlogs will be there, then that backlogs will become huge and you will not
Hmm.
get that. And I can remember your warning also. You warn everyone because he stay out of backlogs. If there is backlogs, it will
Once
get
it backlog will be there, then it will be compiling. Then it will,
it will
I mean,
compile, it will compile
yes, it will
100%. So
keep
that
on
is
adding.
why
And it's functional module because last part, let's say your integration not done. Then once you will go to the product costing, it will not work because
it will
it is
not work. You cannot do.
connected with
Yeah.
yours. It is connected
Yeah,
with.
then you have to first learn the integration part, then after the product costing.
That is like you are saying that is one problem, but it is also norm obvious because we have, I mean, job, family, so many things are there. So that I would not consider as anything mistake. Rather, okay, if you can spend time, it is good. Anything else?
The other thing I would say, as per my experience, because I was lacking somewhere into the questions, like how this is going to be, like practice is very
Important.
necessary.
Hmm.
Practice is very necessary. If you are practicing and resolving error, uh, so as what time you are taking, like if you are taking 3 months to achieve this, then you will crack the job. I was, because my schedule was tight, I was doing US shift, so that is why my schedule was little hectic and I was not able to do
So
that.
Delhi, how much time you are spending with system
Initially I was not
after training?
spending.
After training,
After training, daily 2 to 3 hours I was spending.
2 to 3 hours
2 to 3 hours
regularly.
is must. You need to go, because 2 to 3 hours it will take only you. If one small integration you are doing at the initial level, that is a very small job. It will take, for a professional it will take, I guess, 15 minutes, but for you it will take 1 hour for a unprofessional or a fresher like me.
Learner point of view, but
So
it's okay.
so
It's
that is
normal.
why
So
2 to 3 hours you need to give.
2 hours minimum is required, and when you are getting more time, you can spend more time.
Yeah,
Definitely,
so
this is a you can say nowadays, and now market is down, and at this moment you are getting a job with more than 100% hike. So
yeah,
definitely, if someone having the quality or having the knowledge, then definitely it is going to work. So it's not like nothing is impossible, right? At
yeah,
this moment, like if you are getting this much I mean appraisal, I mean this much hike, then it is possible because jobs are limited. It's true, jobs nowadays, because of global um, situations, the jobs are limited, but in this situation you are getting more than 100% hike. So
yeah.
the companies are ready to pay, provided that if they are getting the right candidate.
If they are getting right candidate, yeah, exactly.
So anything else you want to add?
That's it from my end. I just wanted to say everyone, to if you are coming into this part, don't
Then
come
you
for
should
only
have
for money. Don't come
obvious
only for package, not for money,
but
because money
package will be there, right? Without package,
package
how?
will be there. Your money will be handsome, but the dedication, it will take.
Yes, yes. Initially, like if your target is like quickly, nowadays everyone is going for quick return. So if you just
Yeah,
think like I will do a course and some miracle is going to happen, then nothing is going to happen.
then nothing is going to happen. It is
So
not like
it
that.
will
Yeah,
take time, and
yeah.
like after 15
Even if you
interview,
will get job with
hmm,
that attitude, that is not going to help long in the long
getting a
run.
job is not the end goal, because
Exactly.
anyway in future you are going to upskill yourself, you are going to change the job, you will keep on going, you are going to do a lot of projects, you will learn from every project. So that is again, this learning process will be there. So it's not like
Yeah,
something you achieve the end goal, you got the job, consulting job, and end goal of it, it's not there. So every day we are going to learn from our work, and we should the approach should be that I'm going to learn, obviously learn and earn. Obviously we are not going to do something free, but main purpose is that I will learn the technology, because it's a technology, and technology very drastically changing nowadays. So that's why
exactly.
if you are not going to upgrade yourself, something is coming here in the market and we are not aware, still we are going to do working with the old technology, then obviously it will be outdated someday.
Yeah, yeah, I can remember also in my batch only there were people who were having 6 year of experience, 8 year of experience, and they were upgrading themselves with S4
It's
HANA.
required,
So
yes,
you
it is
need to
required upgrade.
do, like, you need to upgrade yourself, enhance yourself in this consulting job. There is nothing, no limitation I can see
Not,
right now.
whenever you are involved in the IT technology, then it is required. And if you are
Yeah, because
with support work, maybe not required. But if they are in the support, then you will not get much exposure, right? So
exactly.
only from the implementations, the more you'll involve in the system, the more projects you are going to do, then it is going to work. And nothing is going to be there with shortcut. Everywhere we have seen that
Exactly.
whenever someone is getting something, he or she spend that time. He or she sacrifice a lot, right?
Yeah,
So in weekend when everyone is going for chill, so we have to spend the time. Obviously, then only we'll get the return and
yeah.
something. quickly, if you're thinking like we'll get the results, I have not seen it. That's something miracle happen and something. And user part is also very much minimized nowadays because of
Yeah, with SAP Fury, you know.
no, no,
Yeah.
no, no. What I'm saying, because of this AI, user
Um,
activities are also going to be limited. So earlier,
yeah.
for example, let's say someone continuously working on user part and gradually they keep on upskilling themselves by doing. But
Mm.
nowadays, a lot of things are automated. Maybe
Mm.
that much manpower is not required for user, or up to a certain point in end user role, you will grow, and after that, no growth will be there.
No
So
growth. Yeah.
after that, they will think, okay, we will hire one fresher because that fresher can do also similar work. So a
Mm.
lot of things will be automated. So you have
Mm.
to, whatever role you are there, you have to learn and you have to continuously, you are there. Not only SAP, you take any technology, same logic is applicable because you have to keep upgrading yourself when you will be there with technology. You take any
Yeah.
project, whether it is support, rollout, product-based company, like you gave me two choice here. I'm not naming the company. You gave me the
Yeah.
one is
Basically three. Three.
three.
With the
Okay.
first one, I have resigned. Then I've
Okay.
got two recently.
Okay,
Yeah.
so that one that is good. Like for example, let's say when going to choose the product-based company, when you are there in like mid as you already settled, now you don't want to relocate and all, then in that case, choose the product-based company. It's okay. But initially, when you are going to start the career or in the learning phase, so that time better to choose the IT, and IT package will be definitely better. But again, their expectation also accordingly it will be there, and the more
Mm.
project you will complete, accordingly your package will be in that way you will get the return. Okay, Dennis, thank you. Thank you sharing the time and suggesting to viewers so that they will get the idea from your preparation, from your struggle, and from your
Thank you.
patience also. It is really 15 interview rejections. So,
Yeah.
I mean, you, but before that also you got one offer. You
Yeah.
joined that one,
Initially,
right?
I got offer. Yeah. And in April, I
Got
got that.
yours.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Then still like you keep on trying to reach the top
That level.
level,
Yeah.
top level,
Yeah.
right? Good, good,
Yeah.
good. Good spirit.
Yeah.
Okay then. Thank
Thank
you
you so much,
very much.
Pradeep. Thank you so
Thank you.
much again for everything. Thank you so
You're
much. Yeah.